Good morning, students. So today we are going to do with the remaining part of the alcohols, phenols and ethers unit. In the yesterday class, we was discussing about the chemical properties of the ether. In the chemical properties of the ether, we discussed about the electrophilic substitution reaction. Now, when we discussed about the electrophilic substitution reaction, I told you people that this electrophilic substitution reaction is also called as a ring substitution. Okay, it is also called as a ring substitution. Besides that, I told you that like a phenol group, phenol ring, it is also a stabilized. The reason being for the stabilization, I told you that because it also have the resonating structure. Due to the resonating structure, its ortho and para positions are the activated. They get activated. Now, in this particular then, what we did? We did the reaction halogenation. Now, doing the reaction of halogenation क्या हुआ? That in this हम लोगों ने Br2 in the presence of concentrated H2SO4 we made it to react and we get a product on the ortho and para position. फिर electrophilic substitution में आई Friedel-Crafts reaction. Friedel-Crafts reaction is what? It can be alkylation, that is introduction of an alkyl group, or acetylation. Again, as a product, we get at the ortho and para position. Then, yesterday I just forgot to tell you that the third type of the reaction is a nitration. Now, talking about the nitration, what we say OCH3, ये क्या हो गया? Anisole. This anisole is going to react with the concentrated H2SO4 and HNO3. HNO3 की वजह से nitration takes place. अब this is the NO3, isn't it? So what happens over here? That this NO2, it comes and attach at the ortho and para position. Okay, so ये क्या हो जाएगा? It will be your 4 nitroanisole and 2 nitroanisole. ये nitration reaction है. दूसरी type of the chemical properties when we talk about the ethers is your cleavage of CO bond. The second type is what? Cleavage of CO bond. Now, when we did the cleavage of the CO bond, in that cleavage of the CO bond, what we said that we did the reaction. First was the reaction with halogen acid. Halogen acid का मतलब क्या हो गया? That you are going to take a HF. फिर एक हमने रिएक्शन करी थी यहाँ पे reaction with ethereal oxygen over there, isn't it? Now, in continuation to this reaction of halogen acid, इसी के continuation में yesterday we was discussing. So, say suppose you are having OR plus HH. So it is going to give you a what? It is going to give you a OH plus RH. Okay. Now order of reactivity of hydrogen halides is hydrogen iodide, HBr and HCl. Clear? Now we say the cleavage takes place with the concentrated Hi or HBr at a high temperature. Besides this हम ये कहते हैं कि say suppose if you are going to have a unsymmetrical ether, तो क्या हो जाएगा? ROR dash plus HX. So R is going to bond with the halide plus your R dash OH. Okay, the same manner it is going to follow everywhere. अब यहाँ पे इंटेक्स क्वेश्चन जो है आपका 11.2 आई थिंक इट इज बेस्ड ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर. हमेशा याद रखना बेटा, like whenever we are having a concentrated acid, this RORic plus H2SO4, इसके पास it is having a lone pair. Now lone pair of electron is going to act as the Lewis base. So what is going to happen? It is going to convert into a HSO4 minus. So it is going to act as a dialkyl of xenium, hydrogen सल्फेट. अब जब भी आपके पास यहाँ पे क्या याद रखना है, ROR वाली टर्मिनोलॉजी आ जाए. ओके, सो ऑलवेज रिमेम्बर हमने ये किया हुआ है दैट टर्शियरी हैलाइड्स आर व्हाट, दे आर द स्टेबल वन, मींस कि वो ज्यादा स्टेबल जो हैं कार्बोकेटाइंस बनाते हैं, isn't it? So this is the reaction for the concentrated one. Say suppose you are going to have the hydrogen halide. मान लो मेरे पास यहाँ पे एक ग्रुप है CH3 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 OCH3, इसको मैंने HI के साथ ट्रीट कराया. So what is going to happen? HI का मतलब H पॉजिटिव और ये I नेगेटिव, इसके पास lone pairs है, isn't it? So what is going to happen, that we know that tertiary carbocation is always stable compared to the CH3. So this bond is going to break from here. अब इसके बाद क्योंकि पॉजिटिव चार्ज है, तो I is going to attach over here and H over here, means plus CH3OH. तो यहाँ पे आपको क्या कॉन्सेप्ट याद रखना है, that tertiary carbocation is the stable in the nature. With this particular reaction, we finish our alcohols, phenols and ethers. Your all in-text questions of this particular unit I have already uploaded on my channel. Now remaining the exercise questions that in the different slots in a time period of the 2 days I will be uploading. So there you can refer out for the solutions, that the solutions you people are doing, the concept you people are applying, it is correct or not. Now let's just recapitulate your alcohols, phenols and ethers. Now when we talk about the alcohols, phenols and ethers, so I am just going to recapitulate it. Alcohols, phenols and ethers. We say that alcohols, phenols and ethers, basically we are going to say that its classification. Coming to the classification में हम लोग ये बोलते हैं कि इसके अंदर it can be divided on the basis of the number of OH group. Basis of the number of OH group के ऊपर ये मोनोहाइड्रिक, डाइहाइड्रिक और डाइहाइड्रिक फॉर्म के अंदर था. Then we divided it, we classified it on the basis of the your oxidation state. hybridization. On the basis of the hybridization, we divided it as the sp2 or your sp3 hybridized. Coming to the ethers, ethers की जो classification थी, that there was only on the basis of the symmetrical, अगर दोनों side same group है, और unsymmetrical अगर दोनों side different groups है. Then isomerism, your alcohol के अंदर it is going to show your chain isomerism, position isomerism, functional isomerism and optical isomerism. Coming to the ethers, it is going to show you a functional isomerism, chain isomerism and your metamerism. Okay, now moving ahead, we discussed about the preparation of the alcohol. So in the preparation of the alcohol, we are having preparation from the alkenes. From alkenes, we said that it is going to have the addition reaction. Addition reaction के अलावा what we did that if it is going to react with the haloalkane, so primary or secondary के अंदर what is going to happen, the substitution reaction is going to take place. But in the case of the tertiary alcohol, in that case, tertiary halide को if you are going to react it with the aqueous KOH, then it is not going to show you a substitution reaction, but the elimination reaction is going to show. Then we had by the main reactions only I am going to discuss. Then it was a Bow-Wallet-Blank reaction. In that particular reaction, there was what? That we said that acids are reduced to the alcohols by converting them into a ester. Then we did about the Grignard reagent reaction. Okay. Then coming to the reactions of the preparation of the phenols. Preparation of the phenols may by the haloarine, if you are going to prepare a phenol, then that particular reaction is going to be called as the Dow's process. इसको आप Dow's process बोलोगे. Then we did with the cumene reaction. From cumene के अंदर I told you कि cumene को हम isopropyl benzene भी बोलते हैं. Coming to the physical properties के अंदर the main property which I told you is what, that boiling point जो है वो higher होते हैं alcohol के compared to the corresponding alkanes due to the presence of the hydrogen bonding. Then chemical properties was the main part in the case of the alcohol. Reason being that we studied that alcohol is going to act as a nucleophile as well as a electrophile. दोनों cases में क्या था? There was a difference of the cleavage of a bond. Means that it is going to act as a nucleophile if the bond between a OH is going to break down. If it is going to act as an electrophile, then the bond between a RO is going to break down. Then coming over there, हमारे पास question आया कि why the phenols are more acidic in the nature compared to the alcohol. So reason was the resonating structure. क्यों? क्योंकि alcohol का अगर आप resonating alcohol के अंदर से ROH के अंदर से if it gets divided, then you get a RO and H plus. Now it do not have any resonating structure, but in the case of the phenol, what was happening? जो आपका phenoxide ion बनता है, it is having a resonating structure. So what we called it? We called it कि हमने ये पढ़ा हुआ है that the more resonating structure or due to the resonating structure, your compound is going to be stable. Then we did about the stability question of the your primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. Primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols के अंदर what we did that your primary alcohol is going to be the most acidic and your tertiary alcohol is going to be the least acidic. What was the reason? Reason I told you that on the basis of the Clausius effect, more alkyl groups are present on the tertiary alcohol, tertiary alcohol. Therefore, what is going to happen? There will be more electron density on the 3-degree carbon atom. Then we did about the phenol. फिनॉल के अंदर we said कि फिनॉल के पास अगर इलेक्ट्रॉन विथड्रॉइंग ग्रुप होगा then it is going to be more acidic in the nature. Then we did if the number of the electron withdrawing group are going to be more in number then it is going to be more acidic. जिसके अंदर we did that we say that citric acid is the most acidic in the nature. Why? क्योंकि उसके पास 3 नाइट्रो ग्रुप होते हैं. After that, named reaction we did not have. Yes, oxidation आपके पास आया. Oxidation को we also say dehydrogenation because there is the cleavage and formation of the bond is taking place over there. Oxidizing agent पे मैंने आपको 2 main oxidizing agent बताई थी जो हमने कभी नहीं पढ़े हैं. That is the Collins reagent. Collins reagent का formula था Cr2 O3 2 C5 H5 and N. And then we did the another one PCC. PCC क्या था? Pyridinium chlorochromate. Okay, these two we did over there. Then I told you that always remember that if you are having a primary alcohol, अगर primary alcohol का oxidation होगा तो it is going to convert into a aldehyde and then aldehyde is going to convert into a acid. If you want to stop the reaction at the aldehyde, then you need to put a inhibiting agent and over there pyridine is used as the inhibitor. Secondary alcohol से अगर then it is going to convert into a ketone on the oxidation. Tertiary alcohol do not show oxidation reaction. They do not undergo a oxidation process. Okay. Then coming to the phenols. Phenols में main reaction was the electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitution we have done that it is due to the resonating structure it have the ortho and para sites are the activated sites. So जो भी substitution होगा it is going to substitute at the ortho position or a para position. Then in this we have the 3 main reactions, that is your Coles reaction. Coles reaction के अंदर क्या था? That phenol group is going to react with the sodium hydroxide. उसकी presence में ये क्या कर देगा? It is going to convert into a sodium phenoxide ion. This sodium phenoxide ion जो है, it is going to react with the weak electrophile जिसको हमने carbon dioxide दिया था, and then it is going to be hydrolyzed. On hydrolysis, it is going to give you a salicylic acid. Next reaction the Remer-Simon reaction. Remer-Simon reaction के अंदर what was here? That phenol was made to react with the chloroform in the presence of the aqueous ANH, जिसमें it was making a reaction intermediate and which was further hydrolyzed into a salicylaldehyde. Then oxidation इसमें main था. Why? Because phenol का oxidation in the presence of the chromic acid giving you a benzoquinone, which is a dark colored mixture. फिर 1 mark के क्वेश्चन के हिसाब से denaturation of the your alcohol is important. Denaturation of alcohol we do to mask our taste we put a pyridine, to give a bad taste we put a pyridine in that, and to give a color we put a copper sulfate crystal. Coming to the preparation of the ether. Preparation of the ethers में अगर आपको symmetrical ether बनाना है, then you are going to apply the dehydration of the alcohol. Dehydration of alcohols अगर आप करोगे, then you are going to obtain the symmetrical ethers. इसकी क्या limitation होगी? That you cannot prepare a unsymmetrical ether with the help of this. Clear? And एक disadvantage ये हो गई, when you are going to apply this method, there will be the small amount of alkene will also get formed over here. Then we have the Williamson synthesis. अगर आपको unsymmetrical ether synthesize करने, then you are going to do the Williamson synthesis. With this, we just finished our alcohols, phenols and ethers. Now, from the next class, we are going to start with the aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. It is a very long unit. Meantime, आज the homework which is yours is what? That you need to just review this unit. Review this unit means कि हमने क्या क्या किया है, वो every concept is clear or not. And today and tomorrow I am going to upload the exercise questions of this unit. So only the exercise questions and in-text questions you need to do in your note copies. Copy cut paste नहीं करना है. Just look the concept. What is the concept is going to apply and then do the question. No need to write down the question. Write down the only answer like 11.1, 11.2 ऐसे करके and apply over there. If you find any problem, then you can just text me on the personal basis. So good day all of you. We finished today's lecture. Over here.